This music means only one thing. We are opening Poupettes and Barths. Poupettes and Barths is really not made in St. Barth. It's made in Bali. Oh, I've been to Bali. Oh my God. If you ever can take a trip to Bali, please do yourself a favor. Okay, Poupettes and Barths. It's all about joyful, beachy, pool to party type of clothing. These are items that you can wear as a beach cover-up and then wear it for drinks. Ahoo! Love the colors. Love the colors. See, this is what happens during the day. We play this kind of music and we all dance around. Okay, Poupette, item number 1. I don't have to explain this. You know it, you love it, you want it, call me. This is actually the best fitting shape. We've had it in other prints, but now it's in this coral sky blue color, and the pom-poms are beautiful. Okay, dress number 1. Size is extra small to large. They don't want small, like something like this. I love this. I love this. I love this, but oh, okay. So it only ties on one side. Just one side. How actually super cool. This smocking situation is very flattering for most women. This shape is very, very, very flattering. Oh my, you can wear it strapless. Look what I can do. And you know why they do that? Do you know why they do that? Because you can wear it as a skirt. You take this, you wear it as a skirt, you wear it as a dress, you wear it as a cover-up, and yeah! Ole! See, my timing is so perfect. Did you all know? Hold on. Fun fact. Did you all know that I was on Broadway? I was on Broadway stage. There was okay, just come in and ask me about it and I'll tell you. I was on Broadway. Anyway, dancing. This is a skirt, but it's not a skirt. It's a skirt. This is a beautiful color. Again, cover up. It's not see-through, but you can wear it as a cover-up or you can wear it as a little skirt. And this little skirt has probably a little top. Let's see. I know I like this print. This is, and I... Oh my Lanta. No. Look at this. Look at the side. This is gonna go. We always sell out the pants immediately. I don't care what size you are. You could be an extra small or literally an extra large. This will fit you. This is a great pant. It feels like a skirt, but it's really a pant. There's gotta be a top to match. So, no. Maybe there is no top. I don't know. You think I remember I bought it 6 months ago. Item number 4. Oh, this dress shape has done extremely well, especially if you're a petite. You can either wear it on the shoulder or off the shoulder. It crisscrosses in the front with a smocking, and if you have hips, this is perfect for you. If you're small on top and you have hips, this is the shape that you want. It is on the shorter side if you're tall, but come on, so what? You're in a bathing suit, who cares? Okay, next. A long skirt. A long skirt. This is a drawstring. Yes, this is a drawstring, not elastic. Reminds me of an Ulla Johnson shape. Do this with a white top shirt tied up at the underneath the bust line, or wear it with a tank top. Wear it with a t-shirt and tie the t-shirt in the back or on the side. This is a great piece. It's a great color. You can wear, listen, the slit, it's kind of high. Well, it's not high. It's just a nice slit. It's a good piece. And purple is trending. Oh, are you coming that close? I will take care of that. Don't worry. Here. Thank you. Okay, next item. A top. White jeans. Beautiful. Perfect. I love this color. I love this maroon against that purple. I love this color. Can I tell you, Poupette, your delivery in the summer is really good. Sometimes you mess up the spring delivery, but all good. All good. Okay, this one is the more ladylike of all of them. It has a self belt, almost like a rope belt, short sleeve, has a little elastic at the sleeve, so it kind of puffs up. If you're slightly on the busty side, this is a great cut for you. You know, Poupette actually designs for women who are a bit busty on top, depending on the shape, I should say. Really, it depends on the shape. I wouldn't say this is a cover-up. It's a bit too dressy to be a cover-up, but who cares? More Poupette. This. Oh, don't you want to be in Cuba? Well, I don't know. Cuba? No. Oh, I've been to Cuba. No, this is not for. Actually, it could be for Cuba. This has the matching skirt. Yes. This has the squat. Oh, here you go. Capiche. Okay, and I believe this is the last one item. No, it's not. We already opened it. Okay, I know it's kind of gross outside and it's cold and it's snow, raining and yuck, but it's sunny inside with Poupette. I'll see you later. Bye.